In this video we'll create a landing page and embedded forms. So you sign in the back office of MailerLite, create landing page. Here you put any name you want, it won't be seen to your subscribers. Put test 18, press save and continue. Here you put a tick near the list. If you want to create several email lists, you go to subscribers, groups, create new group. Okay, groups are so-called lists of emails. So we come back to our landing page, press save and continue. And here we are given some templates to choose. You can choose the best one, which you like the most. So I select this one. Okay, it's as well possible to preview any of them. And here we come to drag and drop landing page builder. It's user friendly and very simple. So here is the template of our landing page. I don't need the header, so I delete it. Here I want to edit the title. So for example, we sell cats and dogs, or our activities connected to pets. And one of good and highly conversion title will be like 5 tips on keeping a pet. So second part, here you can give some supporting facts for them to get subscribed. Just here you can use call to action for better conversion. Don't forget about call to action. So just get our newsletter. Okay, as well as possible to edit the font itself to make the font a bit bigger for it to be better seen. So I select 20 pixels. So now it's seen much more beautifully than it used to be before. So the first block is ready. So second block. So just if you need second block, you can as well add here some supporting facts. Next, here in our landing page come some icons, additional supporting facts, pictures, whatever you want. If you need it, you can keep it. If you don't need it, so you can remove it. Here it's easy to edit all information what you have here on the template. As well, it's possible to change the background picture, so the landing page builder is pretty simple and user friendly. Okay, so as well, I don't need these graphics, I delete them. So the same here. Okay, don't need any additional buttons, so I remove them as well here. Okay, and sometimes we need to put terms and conditions, so you type here the text terms and conditions and link it to additional page where you have all terms and conditions, because due to the legislations of some countries it's required. Okay, here you have all additional tools, instruments, social share, codes, videos, images plus text, divider, content, so you can check it here by yourselves because it's pretty simple. So the design part is here. In this part you can change the, for example, color of this button. If you don't like it light red, you can make it of some other color. Here's the gradient of colors. You can make it of some other color, so it's pretty simple doing like this. Okay, so just button color, background color, hover, so font style, font size, all can be changed and edited due to your taste. Okay, so it's like this as well. Background. Okay, so the color can be changed here if you want. So much depends on what you want it to be like and on conversion. So I recommend you to create 2 or 3 landing pages to test which one will show you better conversion. As well, don't forget about call to action, because it really increases the conversion of subscribers. As well, it's vitally important that your subscription form should be located on the first desktop. It should be well seen. and this call to action will as well increase your conversion. So as far as we've done it, never forget about mobile devices, because more than 60% of traffic comes from tablets, from smartphones. It's extremely important. As well, here's an option of previewing the landing page. We just press it, have to wait a couple of seconds. Here is the desktop version. Okay, so it looks pretty friendly. Here is mobile version. Don't forget about it. So mobile version is as well beautiful. I like it. So it will work for high conversion. Here is an option of copying it and watching the same pages in browser. So let's check it out. Okay. So in browser it as well looks nice. As well, it's important to note that here you can see subscribepage.com. You can change this address on your own domain name. How to do it, you can find it so on FAQ. Here they've got help button. Just give me a second. After I'll show you where this help button is. Just give me a second. So here it is. You can find all type of helpful information here. If this information cannot be found on help section, so just support works 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Ask them any questions you want. They are very helpful and friendly. So as far as we finished with our landing page, it's important to work a bit with your success page. Okay, in majority of cases, your subscribers will be asked to confirm their subscription. Here you can write, just don't forget to confirm your subscription, log in your emails, and press the button confirm. So this will be enough. If you don't do it, your conversion will be lower. So as far as I've already mentioned, in majority of cases, your subscribers will have to confirm their subscription. So don't forget to save it all. Okay. So after we press next, okay, here is SEO settings, page title. In my case it will be cats and dogs. This information is pretty important because search engines will be able to find our pages and it will cause additional traffic to our sites. So meta keywords, I press the same, I paste the same. Meta description, just, I don't know, tips on keeping pets. Okay, so as well, here you put tick allow search engines to index this landing page. It's extremely important. As well, here we've got options of Facebook share title. So here you type how your landing page will be shown on Facebook. Here you as well can add some description and Facebook share image. So try to finish it as well, because it's important. The information which you share must be the image which you share must be beautiful, attractive, as I've mentioned in our previous lessons. As well, here it's important to write some catchy title. Description should also be interesting for people around you on Facebook or whatever to click on it and to get subscribed on your newsletters. Here we press save and continue. So our landing page is almost ready. Okay, here is the URL of our landing page. Okay, just you can preview it. As well, here are page settings, group information. As well, here is the URL to your landing page. You can copy it, but here we have it. So just you can check it again, just one more time. And I remind you that this should be changed on your own domain. How to do it you can find in help section of our back office. If you can't do it by yourselves, ask the support. They're very friendly. So it's like this. Okay, as far as we've finished with our landing page, now we come to embedded forms. So these forms can be located on any website of yours or any blogs. And before we do it, guys, so it's extremely important. So landing page. So just one more information about it. Landing page settings, as we've spoken about it, it's like this. Statistics, here you'll see all statistics on about your landing page. So visitors, conversion. Don't forget to check it. It's extremely important for any marketers. Here it's possible to switch on your own domain. And here is the text of your confirmation email. Okay, so it can be pretty simple, like hello, click this button to confirm your subscription. So it should not be big, it should be simple and nice looking, like this. Okay, and confirmation thank you page. So this one is good, it can be used as it is. Okay, so as far as we finished with landing page settings, we come to subscription forms like embedded forms. So we leave this area and come again to forms, embedded forms. Okay, and you click it here. It's pretty simple, the same as we did in landing pages. Create embedded forms, give optional name, it won't be seen to your potential subscribers. Save and continue. Okay, as well you tick a list where the subscribers will subscribed. Save and continue. To wait a couple of seconds for it to download. Okay, and now we'll see the template of a newsletter form. Here it's possible to change the title as we did in landing page, as well here supporting facts, the same as in landing page. And about the fields, I don't recommend to have many of them. Here it's possible to have email, name, but the most important is to understand that people nowadays, the majority of people are lazy. No one wants to fill in the forms which contain a lot of fields, so email and name or just email will be enough. The less forms, the less fields you have in your form, the bigger the opportunity that the conversion will be higher. Okay, so this is enough. I press save after success message, so it works the same as for landing page. So this success message is good enough in my opinion, so you press save. It's okay for us. Drag and drop form builder is the same as in landing page. Here are the settings. You can read information about CAPTCHA, about marketing permissions, interest group. So it's up to you whether to use them or not. Personally, just speaking about me, I don't use them. So press next. And normally just whatever you do, whether it's an embedded form or landing page, never forget to put a link to terms and conditions, because due to legislations of many countries, it's obligatory. So our form is ready, we can preview it. So it will look like this, a pretty nice form. You can change the color of the button. If you don't like it, you can make it red. Okay, here is the group name, which this form will subscribe the potential subscribers to. URL is not so important because you'll have to copy this code and paste it to your own landing page if it's under a landing page builder rather than the one on MailerLite, or you can as well copy it and paste it on your blog. Here are the options for JavaScript, HTML code, pop-ups, and so on. So you can see MailerLite is not only the service for holding email marketing campaigns, it's as well a so-called service for building beautiful landing pages and embed forms. See you in the next video.